Hello everyone, let's do a fast check for the crypto.com website. Please subscribe to my channel to get new crypto content. You can buy crypto with your credit card. They have a nice app and they offer a crypto credit card. Let's see if this is a trusted website. They have a good rank and a big amount of visitors. That ensure for us that this is a trusted website. And they are ranked 29 in the finance sector. Let's check the crypto.com coin on the market cap. The coin is doing very well and it have a big pump. This is a very trusted website. The link is in the description.